You know, these decisions are made based on knowledge, based on understanding, not made based on like, or if I cannot find. Second thing is I realize some people they like to push the limit, push the boundary. They don't set a limit and boundary. Like example, they will say that okay, what we have is like let's say 1.5 million. But actually 1.5 million is like everything. So they don't think in this way like okay, maybe I should set back to like maybe using 1.4 million or 1.3 million instead. Then a lot of times when they make decisions, right, they go back to be worried about their 1.5 million budget. Then when I talk to them, I'm like, hey, you know what is bothering you? Why you think so much? You know, then they'll tell me, oh, actually we feel that like 1.5 is a little bit high. So you see, if you don't start correctly, you will not end correctly. So a lot of times, one of the biggest mistake is people try to push their budget. It's like they want this, want that, want this, want that, but they cannot afford it like comfortably.